guiding you across the ins and outs of strata living.
It's appropriate for the strata community to determine when to get legal advice, expert advice.
Helping you untangle the intricacies entailed in strata living.
Is this issue relating to the resident misbehavior? Is it a phone call first that should be done?
You're tuned in to Strata Life Podcast by Rochelle Castro, the place where you should learn all matters strata.
Welcome back to Strata Life Podcast by Rochelle Castro. In today's session, I want to cover unauthorized renovations. I understand that residents sometimes carry out renovations without first asking the approval from the Strata Committee. That could lead to risks, safety risks, damage to shared spaces, and violations of the building codes. So an example of it is where a resident would knock down internal walls of their apartment or unit without the approval of the strata community. The renovations could impact the building's plumbing and wiring and causing disruptions to other units. And how should this be dealt with? Well, the strata committee could require that the renovations be reversed and repairs be made to common areas. And they update the renovation policies as well. The strata community could do that and require more stringent checks and clear communication about the need for approval before modifications. So it's important that the strata community looks into the rules in respect of the procedures. Not only that, I do recommend that even during the annual general meeting, which is once a year, opportunity for all owners to get together, that items that are required in accordance with the bylaws or rules in respect of renovations carried out within one's unit or apartment is addressed at that AGM. That way it is clear to all residents and owners that there are certain rules that need to be complied with or bylaws that need to be complied with when it comes to carrying out renovations, because it could impact the whole development if the appropriate steps are not carried out. For example, written consent may be needed from the strata community. So that is what I want to cover for today's session in respect of unauthorized renovations. If you find value in these episodes, please share with those who you think would also benefit so that they can enjoy living in strata communities. I will see you next time here in Strata Life Podcast by Rochelle Castro.